Egg cartons. They're not just for keeping eggs cozy anymore. These humble recyclable containers can be transformed into a variety of useful tools and crafty projects. Let's dive into some creative and practical uses for egg cartons that are sure to impress. Number 1. Seed starters for garden gurus. Egg cartons are the perfect seed starting kit for your gardening adventures. Each cup is the right size to cradle a tiny seedling. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Fill each cup with potting soil. Step 2. Plant a seed in each compartment, following the seed packet instructions. Step 3. Water gently and place the carton in a sunny spot. Step 4. Once the seedlings sprout and grow strong, you can plant them directly in the ground, if using a biodegradable carton, or gently transplant them. Tested tip. Cut the cups apart and plant them directly into the soil to avoid disturbing the roots. The carton will break down naturally. Number 2. Organize like a pro. Egg cartons can be your secret weapon in tackling clutter. Their segmented design makes them perfect for organizing small items. Jewelry holder. Keep earrings, rings, and other small jewelry items in place. Drawer divider. Place an egg carton in a drawer to sort paper clips, thumbtacks, or even sewing supplies. Craft supply sorter. Perfect for buttons, beads, and other small crafting materials. Tested tip. Paint or decorate the carton to match your decor for an added touch of style. Number 3. Fire starters for outdoor adventures. Got a camping trip planned? Egg cartons can be turned into effective fire starters. Step 1. Fill each cup with a small amount of dryer lint. Number 2. Pour melted wax over the lint. Old candle stubs work great for this. Step 3. Let it cool and harden. Tested tip. Break off a cup when you need to start a fire. The wax and lint combo ignites easily and burns long enough to get larger kindling going. Number 4. Art and craft projects for kids and adults. Let your creativity soar with egg carton crafts. Here are a few fun ideas. Caterpillar craft. Paint a strip of cups green. Add googly eyes and pipe cleaner antennas. And Viola, a cute caterpillar. Flower bouquet. Cut out individual cups. Paint them and attach them to pipe cleaner stems for a beautiful, everlasting bouquet. Treasure boxes. Let kids decorate them and store their small treasures inside. Tested tip. Use non-toxic paints and glues to keep it safe for little hands. Number 5. Soundproofing solutions. Believe it or not, egg cartons can help dampen noise. While they're not professional-grade soundproofing materials, they can help in a pinch. Step 1. Paint the cartons, if you like, to make them more aesthetically pleasing. Step 2. Attach them to walls in a pattern that helps diffuse sound. Tested tip. This is great for small home studios or practice rooms where echo reduction is needed. Number 6. Ice cube trays for the quirky chef. Egg cartons can be used as quirky makeshift ice cube trays. Step 1. Clean the carton thoroughly and ensure it's waterproof. foam cartons work best. Step 2. Fill with water or juice and freeze. Tested tip. Add fruit pieces or herbs for fancy ice cubes, perfect for summer drinks. Number 7. Eco-friendly gift packaging. Why buy expensive gift boxes when you can make your own eco-friendly version? Step 1. Paint the carton in festive colors. Step 2. Fill with homemade treats, jewelry, or other small gifts. Number 3. Tie with a ribbon for a charming rustic look. Tested tip. Use tissue paper inside the cups for added color and protection. Conclusion. Egg cartons are a testament to the adage that one person's trash is another's treasure. From organizing and gardening to crafting and camping, these versatile containers offer countless opportunities to reduce waste and spark creativity. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, the next time you finish a dozen eggs, think twice before tossing the carton. You might just have your next great household hack in your hands. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.